Yo, what up? It's your boy Megalawge Megamusiik for making custom diodes. Last kind square presenter. Right here we got the Bacave Waterfall Diorama. Came up with. Diorama is 15 inches wide, 11 inches long, and 15 inches tall. Pretty it's bigger than the D-top size. So, but check it out. Here we go. Got the Batmobile up here from the Batman movie. The actual Batman right there with the custom wired cape. With the waterfall, like how that actually came out. Pretty cool with the light effects up in there. The bat logo carved out. Caught up some rocks. Once again, everything's collapsible, it's magnetized, so we gonna break it down. Get some more rocks on here on the side right here. You can see some piping, a little bit of piping. And that's about it. Check out the pictures at the end, see how the diode was. And that's how we do. Once again, it's your boy Megalawge Music. On to the next one. Peace.